Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, hot metal production from Blast Furnace 4 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant stabilizes post blowing in of the furnace. And intensive sanitization continues in different parts of the steel township for preventing COVID-19. And now the news in detail. The hot metal tapping from the recently blown in Blast Furnace 4 Annapurna of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP is steadily stabilizing. After the blowing in of the furnace for the 7th campaign on 9 September 2020 by Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, in presence of executive directors and senior executives, the first hot metal separation was done on 11 September. The furnace reached the level of 2,000 tons of hot metal production on the 4th day of its resumption of operation. The sections concerned of Blast Furnace 4 have been effectively monitoring the technological parameters, and the furnace is on the path of continual improvement. Pulverized coal injection was started in the furnace on 18 September. Notably, Blast Furnace 4 has a capacity of producing 2,475 tons of hot metal per day. The furnace, with a useful volume of 1,658 cubic meter, was commissioned on 3rd July 1967. It has crossed many milestones in its illustrious journey. When the steel plant is looking up to ramp up its production in the post-lockdown scenario in view of the increase in market demand, the availability of the Blast Furnace 4 will be a shot in arm for the company. The spiraling cases of corona-positive persons in the township has posed a major challenge in front of the Public Health Unit of the Town Engineering Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP. The unit has been making all-out effort to disinfect the houses of the people found to be corona-positive, apart from sanitizing the public places. Between 15th to 18th September, the Public Health Department carried out an extensive disinfection drive in the Town Services Office and office premises and quarters of positive patients at Sector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Intensive efforts are being made by RSP to keep the employees and their family members safe from the spread of coronavirus. That's all for today's news bulletin. Namaskar.